In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a nickname on Instagram chats. Let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, open Instagram and go to your DMs by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Open any chat, and to set a nickname, click on the name of the chat. This will bring up options like changing themes, chat controls, and privacy settings. Now, if you don't see the set nickname option, here's what you can do. Go back to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and open the settings menu. Scroll down and look for the help option. Tap it, then choose report a problem. Select report problem without shaking and include your issue. In the description, explain to Instagram that you need the option to change nicknames in chats. Once done, tap send in the top right corner. Instagram will typically respond within a few hours. That's it. This is the only solution if the nickname option isn't showing in your account. I hope this helps.